Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video how to get access in same page for your favorite news provider, and you can read your local news, US news, world business and much more in same page. Okay, I will show you how to get access. You can go to that right upper corner, Google Apps, click this one. Let's scroll down, you can see the news, click on that. Okay, going to page like that, you can see that your briefing, top story today. Then you can get the CNN, Politico, The Hill, Washington DC Post, the Washington Post, and NBC, Yahoo Finance. Many main news provider. You can see that on the same page. Okay, click this one for you. You can see that main stories today and MSN, Greek Wire, all the news, Google, can read much more. Whatever you like, then you can read. Click that news showcase. Have free time, then you can read it and increase your knowledge about business, news, and technology, sports, science, health, anything. Whatever you like, then you can go to US news, NBC, New York Post, CNN, MSNBC, okay, New York Times, most popular news, then you can read it. ABC News, NPR, BBC, Yahoo Voice, CBS, and all major news in same page, and world news. If you like, then you can go to what happened in the world. Okay, you can see that local, then you can read what happened in your area, local area, then read it. And even business, okay, you can get idea about the business. Okay, you can see even share market, can get economy, market, jobs, personal finance, entrepreneur, about the business. Okay, they have many valuable article, then you can read it. Okay, you don't need to search individual, then you're going to Google Apps, then news, you can read all the news in same page. And technology, GameSpot, IGN, the Indian Express, all the technology news you can get under technology. And entertainment, the Washington Post, and favorite TV show, last night on, Los Angeles Times, and your favorite sports, can get idea about the sports. ESPN, CBS Boston, mlive.com, mba.com, today, NBC News. Alright, then science, if you're interesting know about the science, then you can get idea and read it. Okay, health, okay, very important, then you can read it and get knowledge about your health. Okay, under, then you can see subtitles, then you can click medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, fitness. Same thing, you can go to technology, subtitle, mobile, gadgets, internet, virtual, AI, computing. Okay, same thing, entertainment, movies, Hollywood Reporter. Okay, I'm going to click this one. All the details, you can read it if you have time. Pretty interesting article, then you can read, get idea about the entertainment, music, TV, books, design. Okay, this is interesting. That's why I wanted to you guys show you how to get news in Google Apps. Okay, that's the way how to get Google News. Then not only individual, then you can read everything in the same page. Okay guys, that's the video today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.